The Royal Air Force does offer apprenticeships for those individuals who are leaving full-time education at the age of 16. It does depend on what role that you take on as to what qualification the apprenticeship offers.
When you join up or apply for an apprenticeship, you have the opportunity to undertake an MVQ, a level 3 qualification. That was a stepping stone really for me to then progress on to complete a degree.
The RAF offers apprenticeships with pretty much every ground role that you can apply for. As a logistics supplier, I did a MVQ level 2 in supply chain warehousing operative, and I also went on to do a level 3 as well.
When you join the Air Force as an avionics technician, it is a level 3 apprenticeship in aeronautical engineering. Once you have finished your technician course at Cosford, you then go on to do your on-the-job training, where you have to do your tradeability test to get signed off, and then that will give you your full level 3 qualification.
So previously, when I went through training, it was a level 2 aviation operations on the ground apprenticeship, but now they've just brought in a level 3 firefighter operations apprenticeship, which is now civilian recognised as well.
So most of the job roles we have in the RAF as a non-commissioned role, so ground trade, is an apprenticeship training role. With this, you'll complete your 10 weeks basic training at RAF Holton, and then you continue on to your phase 2, your technical training. And while you're there, you'll get a level 2 or level 3 MBQ in your chosen subject.
For anyone wanting to join the RAF, there are certain requirements that you would have to meet, whether this is fitness, GCSE results, but all this could be found if you speak to your career office or if you go on the Royal Air Force website.
Some roles in the RAF you could be offered sponsorship or bursaries to university. These are mainly based around your engineering and technical roles and the medical roles in the RAF. With these, you have to be going to a university that's attached to a university air squadron. It's a bit like air cadets, but a bit more advanced. You'll be able to hone your more personal qualities and have a better understanding of what life as an officer in the RAF could be in the future.
I think the best thing about doing my apprenticeship with the Royal Air Force was getting paid whilst completing it. There was also many benefits like free dental care, on-station medical care, and also living on camp for reduced rates.
My top tips for anyone going through recruitment is take the advice of the recruiter. So if we send you a link of a video to watch it. Don't just put it on in the background while this morning's playing. If we give you paperwork to fill it in and send it back in good time. So listen to your recruiter. They are there to guide you. They're there to do their job, and they will help you through the process as much as they can.